Okay, so for a very long time I wanted to finish this series in which I was drawing different type of Titan in Attack on Titan, and I basically drew them all from the Beast Titan to Colossal Titan, the Armament Titan, the Warhammer Titan, the original Founding Titan. I basically drew them all except for one, and that is Eren's Founding Titan. And now it is time to draw that. And also you can just tell me in the comments what should I draw next. But today I will be drawing Eren's Founding Titan. So let's start. Okay, so starting with the face, and I don't need to do too much detail on it. I just made the general structure of the face because most of the face will be covered by the hairs, and there are really long hairs, so it is a blessing because then I start drawing the collarbone and the shoulder blades and then the arms, because most of the structure was once again covered by hairs, so I don't need to do too much detailing. Also because it is a far away shot, again no need to do too much detailing. Then I draw the rest of the rib cage and the extended skeleton and the legs. After drawing the extended spinal cord and the legs, I decided to draw the spines that were coming down from the ribs essentially, which make it look like a giant death centipede for some reason. I don't know why he chose that. Also making those weird spikes on the top by which the arms and the rest of the body in the front was connected. Yeah, I actually don't need to do too much for that because again it is a far away shot and that things are barely visible. Just need to draw some lines in order to indicate their presence, not that difficult. And then after doing all this, I started to do the details on the entire structure and then start drawing the small tiny humanoid figures. Those tiny humanoid figures are the titans in the wall. So yeah, remember the wall that was framed by the titans? Yeah, so it is that. After that I decided to do some bit of cheating because after drawing some titans in the front and some titan silhouettes in the background, I was pretty tired, so I decided to just cover it all up with clouds, and that is how it came out to be. Yes, I cheated a little bit with the clouds, but yeah, I'm actually kind of satisfied because this is a far away shot, there is no much detailing, it just meant to apply it all, and yeah, it does that work perfectly. So yeah, so that is it for the video. Let me know in the comments what should I draw next, and if you want to support the channel, just join the membership now. Also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.